So we have the GOODRAM. Hi.
Hi,
So please introduce yourself.
I am the CEO of the GOODRAM. We are Polish memory manufacturer based in Silesia. We are doing a lot of industrial products. We are one of only 2 European memory makers which are left in Europe. Our main advantage is local manufacturing, a deep knowledge of the memory business. We are able to supply customers all over Europe with the fast delivery, high quality product. Recently what we offer to our customers is a new technology, DDR5 modules, which we just introduced to the market, and they're going to customer to be qualified.
You said you actually manufacture
Yes.
in Europe.
Yes, we manufacture in Europe.
RAM.
Yeah, memory modules.
Can
Memory
you-
modules and SSD disks.
But you need to get the flash components from Asia or something, right?
We're getting the flash or DRAM components from major supplier like Samsung or Kioxia. And if you ask if there is an availability issue, there is no availability issue.
How is that possible?
Long-term cooperation with the IC maker. We are 30 years in the business, so we know how to handle this.
And what is the other advantage of working with you? There's a lot of talk about doing stuff in Europe because of security or something else, or?
There's a security, but there is also same time zone. There is a shorter delivery time. You don't have this problem with the logistic issues from Asia. We are also not a very big manufacturer, so we are able to do the custom-based solution. Means we are able to manufacture shorter batches. Our main customer is not a huge industry, are the people doing industrial automation, doing security products, doing the communication, this kind of stuff.
All right. So you're talking about getting the latest technology, generation and speed. You're up there with anybody else?
No, that's the newest technology which just coming to the market. The other guys which also have this technology, but we are one of the first which are offering those modules already to industrial clients to qualify. This matching very well because like CPU maker like AMD will introduce also new industrial platform which work with DDR5.
Somebody's writing GOODRAM is so cool. Why is GOODRAM so cool?
I don't know, ask the guy why GOODRAM is so cool.
What is the history of the company? Since when have you been doing this?
We started in 1991.
Sorry, can I come closer to that? Yeah.
We started in 1991 as a one-man band company. Right now we are around 200 people spread in manufacturing, design, sales and marketing. And the cool is we are local manufacturer. We are not based 10,000 kilometers away in Asia, so we understand the customer better.
So if you can grab one of these boards and to explain what is that you actually do on the board, or maybe we can see it
Okay.
on the
I don't know how to grab the board.
maybe this one? It's locked. Is it?
Uh,
Maybe it's open. You can actually open there, maybe.
Można to otworzyć, panie Łukaszu?
No, it's okay. No need. Yeah.
Also, I don't know how to open. In fact, what we're doing is, you see here is a memory module, SODIMM, which goes to a small industrial computer. What we do, we design this module, then we get the memory chips from the memory maker like Samsung, and the other components from other maker, and we manufacture the module, and we trim the module to the customer needs, speed and so on.
So what is the big role for you in the embedded world?
As I said, in embedded world, the difference between us, we can adjust to the customer needs very fast. So we are able to do shorter batches, we are able to deliver on time to fulfill the customer needs.
And what's the big demand for the future? What do people want?
You know, the memory, you're doing this movie with the full-scale equipment, where is a bunch of memory product inside, in your mobile phone, in your camera, in everything what you have. And like 10 years ago, the memory was only in the computer. Right now, the memory is in your fridge, in a lot of the devices. And if 5G coming to the market, the memory will be almost in every device which will communicate together. So that's why memory is so cool. Yeah?
And there's this new thing called 3D memory, 3D NAND. Are you on top of this?
Yes, we have this technology implemented already. The 3D NAND is already mature product. We are doing also right now some consumer product with the higher technology QLC, which is coming to the market. However, the industrial customer mostly use the older technology, which is the stable technology.
So for me, it's like magic dust and stuff. I have a hard time to understand how memory is made and everything. But is it possible we'll have flash storage cheaper than hard drives in the future, or never?
Yes, for sure. That will be cheaper. That will be cheaper. There's only question of time.
It will overtake.
It will overtake. So the trend is already clear. You see the storage company, the business of the storage companies is not growing, but the business of the flash company is growing constantly. And the flash storage has a huge advantage against traditional storage, no moving parts. And as the cost is going down and down, they will overcome one day.
Is this 3D
today,
stuff?
if you buy a PC, a new PC, almost impossible to get a PC with the HDD. Only very low level PC.
Is it possible that flash storage is going to have unlimited life? How long
Never.
can you expect the life to be on these memory devices?
You know, the nature of the flash is the flash cells getting used with the time. But the construction of the flash device, like SSD disk, is storage. Then you always plan some overcapacity. Means the controller is managing the cells which are used. But anyway, this is not product which with the current technology, with the SSD, which is used 24/7, can last 10 years. No. Consumer, if you use the PC 3, 4, 8 hours a day, can use the SSD, can last 10 years plus. But data center SSD, where the data which you right now streaming is stored, which is writing and reading all the time, the SSD will last 3 years plus.
Can you make it 30 years?
You have to ask Kioxia or Samsung. That's too far in technology for us.
Is your competitor like SanDisk, Seagate, or Western
No,
Digital?
no. Our competitor are the company, mostly companies based outside Europe, like you can say Kingston or Transcend, this kind of company. We don't compete with Samsung, we don't compete with SanDisk. They are like original chip maker. They serving different customer, we are serving different customer.
And do you have a lot of very smart people in your company?
You know, otherwise, if I would not have smart people, the company will not exist 30 years and will not grow. So we have excellent teams. We have own developers, the people which are very long time with the company, and because of them, we are here still. After 30 years, we are on the market and we are growing.
And with a roadmap with a bunch of stuff for the future.
You mean for the product or?
Yeah.
Okay, there will be higher and higher capacities common, there will be more reliable. That's the trend in general. So we'll get more storage cheaper and the storage will be more and more reliable. That's the trend for the future. Faster, more reliable.
And if I went to your headquarters, what is the city?
The city is too complicated for you to speak out. It's based in Upper Silesia in Poland, south of Poland, close to Katowice.
Katowice, next to Katowice.
Exactly.
So it's not far from Ukraine.
Oh, it's just
1 hour.
300 kilometers from Ukrainian border.
300. And what goes on day to day in the office? What would be happening?
What do you mean?
All the guys working on customer support, marketing, product design, engineering, everything in that building.
Yeah. We all in the same place.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot. Somebody's writing, I can't wait till 1 terabyte SSD costs 50 New Zealand dollar.
Oh, very soon. Very soon.
How do you recycle SSD after the lifespan is complete? What can be done there?
You know, we are not a recycling company. Usually this is a process, at least in Europe, is very well organized. If we get SSD back from customer, then we gave them to the special company which is disassembling them in professional way. Also doing this a special way that the data which eventually might be on the SSD won't leak. Yeah? Because this is the most important.
And there's a lot of precious materials in there?
Yeah.
Cobalt or something?
Yeah. So because there are different materials, this professional company disassembling the components, and the components A going to this process, components B going to this process. They going like to refining process when you get back gold, silver, the precious material.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. Pleasure.
Thanks.
You are from New Zealand, though?
No, I'm from Switzerland.
You're from Switzerland?